Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I really hope that you will be safe and sound, and I really hope that you will be working, you will be studying, and I know that you will not be wasting your time in playing games. Okay? काफ़ी वक्त दिया करो अपनी बुक्स और अपने काम के लिए, ठीक है? सो इंग्लिश बुक वी हैड स्टार्टेड, एप्पल we had discussed and we had completed, Mr. Munib Khan. Now we will come to the activities, to the exercise. This is page number 9. Activity A. This is activity A. Complete the sentences. Dear students, 5 sentences are given to you. 5 sentences have been given to you, and there are some words: juicy, red, outside, crunchy, green, seeds, leaves. So you have to fill these blanks with these words. The first one has been done for you. पहले वाला आपके लिए किया जा चुका है. The skin is on the dash of the apple. तो क्या ये इस तरह हो सकता है? The skin is on the juicy of the apple. Wrong. The skin is on the outside of the apple. Outside is right. Next, there are little dash in the middle of the apple. In the middle of the apple क्या होते हैं? Think. Search out the word here. In the middle of the apple there are leaves. There are juicy. I think the correct one is seeds. The correct one is seeds. Okay. See the second. An apple can be dash or dash. So very easy. Red or green. Red or green. Okay. The flesh of the apple is dash and dash. Very easy. The flesh of the apple, which we have discussed, is juicy and crunchy. Well done. Going next, 5th number. The dash make food for the apple. Okay. The dash make food for the apple. So the dash mean what? Let's see. Apples के लिए खुराक कौन तैयार करता है? Leaves. And leaves was left. Leaves सिर्फ रह गया था ना. So we will write here the leaves. Understood? Very easy. Going to activity number B, dear students. Who am I? मैं कौन हूँ? Carrot. Carrot पता है ना? गाजर को बोलते हैं. Milk, apple, bun. Bun भी बोलते हैं ना? It's a cake like. I'm a fruit. मैं एक fruit हूँ. I'm round. मैं round हूँ. I'm red or green. So who am I? मैं कौन हूँ? अगर ये निशानियाँ मेरे में हैं, अगर ये पॉइंट्स हैं, तो मैं कौन हूँ? कैरेट हूँ? नो 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 नो. कैरेट इज नॉट राउंड. ये तो गलत है. कैरेट कैन नॉट बी ग्रीन. मिल्क? मिल्क इज नॉट इन रेड कलर और ग्रीन कलर. एंड राउंड भी तो वो नहीं होता. एंड इट इज नॉट अ फ्रूट ऑल्सो. एप्पल. एप्पल. ओके. नेक्स्ट. इट इज बीन डन फॉर यू. आई एम अ ड्रिंक. मैं एक ड्रिंक हूं. आई एम वाइट. द कैट लाइक्स मी. कैट्स भी मुझे पसंद करते हैं, मैं कलर में वाइट हूं और मैं एक ड्रिंक हूं. So what is the drink? Carrot is not drink, apple is not drink, bun is not drink, milk is the drink. Okay. Going next. I am sweet. मैं sweet हूं, मीठा हूं. I am a small cake. तो क्या रह गए? कैरेट रह गए और बन रह गया. तो कैरेट जो है वो तो केक नहीं है. That is a fruit. So it must be bun. Yeah, this is the bun. It's like a cake. Okay. So we will use what? We will use bun here. Next is, वो तो जाहिर है भाई 3 हो गए हैं, एक रह गया है, तो इसमें ये कैरेट ही आएगा. I am a vegetable. I am orange. मैं ऑरेंज कलर का हूं, मैं एक वेजिटेबल हूं. Rabbits like me. और मुझे rabbits पसंद करते हैं. Okay, look to this rabbit. What the rabbit is doing? Eating the carrot. This is the carrot. Orange in color, and it's a vegetable, and the rabbit likes that. So it's a carrot here. Understood? We will use the word carrot. Dear students, activity number C is for you. Draw this apple here and draw this apple. Okay, someone has eaten this part, and draw here also. Okay, and show me that, and ask each other these questions and answer. एक दूसरे से पूछिएगा भाई, I am a drink, I am white, and the cat likes me. What is that? So this was a short lecture, just one page we completed. You should continue this. More inshallah we will have next time. Thank you very much. Goodbye.